Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, did you prepare for your exam tomorrow? How is your preparation?
So I had a doubt. We have the exam tomorrow will include trigonometric functions also, right? Functions and that minimum and maximum value part.
Everything.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think tomorrow test is easy only.
So how many questions?
25.
Okay.
What Harsha told you?
So we haven't been told anything. That's why I asked.
Okay. I think the question is of only level 1, not level 2.
Sir, so only NCERT concepts will be there, no? Or few R.S. Agarwal concepts will also be there.
Not like that. What I teach that will come, but questions will be little easy. See, the other day you people were asking the sum that I will like to do again. A few sums like you were asking. Just see on the board. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1, then roots of the equation a minus 2b plus c x square plus b minus 2c plus ax plus c minus 2a plus b is equal to 0 is. So already we have done this sum. The answer of the sum was, like, if I take this quadratic equation a minus 2b plus c x square, all of you pay attention, b minus 2c plus ax plus c minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Then how to find the roots of a quadratic equation? What we can do? Two methods we have learned. One is splitting the middle term, one is formula method. But sometime what happen, we can do the sum by hit and trial method also. Like, we know the meaning of root, a solution, the value of x for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. We can see some pattern in the coefficient a minus 2b. Here we can see minus 2b, then here we can see b and b plus 2b. So all the terms will get cancelled. So by hit and trial method, we can say put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, what happens, student? A minus 2b plus c plus b minus 2c plus a, c minus 2a plus b, all the terms will get cancelled. We get 0 is equal to 0. When put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is satisfying the equations. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 1 is, actually it has two roots, but one of the roots. But what they have given some information. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So we know also what do we know? One formula we have learned in 10th standard. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So here we can do a square minus b square. So what would happen? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. We know the value of secant theta plus tan theta. So what happened here? Substitute the value. So what we'll get? We'll get secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. This is the first equation. Secant theta plus tan theta is 1. Second equation is secant theta minus tan theta is 1. We will add both the equation. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So what do we get? We get 2 secant theta is equal to 2. Secant theta is equal to 1. We know x is equal to 1 is the root. What is the root? 1 is the root. But what is the value of 1? 1 is same as secant theta. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 1. But one value is secant theta is equal to secant theta is the root. This we did the other day also. But what happened then? One of the students told me that the option is cos theta as well. Then I checked the other source of this question and came to know that the options are secant theta, second option is tan theta, third option is sine theta, and the fourth option, there's a misprint. It is not cos theta, but it is cosecant theta. Because if it is cos theta, then that has to be correct, as we were discussed that other day. Secant theta is 1, means cos theta also should be 1, but the option is not cos theta, although it is given in PDF cos theta only, but there's a misprint. Secant theta, tan theta, sine theta, and it is cosecant theta. So the answer is secant theta. If somebody has doubt in this solution, you can ask me. Moreover, student, what happened, even if you use formula method and do this sum, means find the root, formula method, then also you will get one of the root as 1 only. You can check by formula method also, but this is an easy method. Student, you can ask some doubt if you have. Girls, do you have doubt in this? Girls,
No,
ask
sir.
me. No doubt now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Boys, Himanshu, what doubt you have? Himanshu?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So now, shall I erase the board or what?
Yes, sir.
It was tangled.
So 1 minute, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt from another question in the PDF.
I will attend your doubt.
Okay.
2 minutes to give me.
Yes, sir.
I will erase little bit part of the board. Here, what happened? There was one more problem which we were discussing the other day. The question was, I think it was 50th sum. Like some doubt was there. If x is more than 0, less than pi, and cos theta, cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by 2, then tan x is how much? That was the question, I feel. One of you check the question is how much. Actually, we have done this sum completely, but then also in the answer there was a discussion that why one answer was wrong and all, and that also we discussed, but then also one doubt was there. Now see here, what we did the other day, the angle lies from 0 to pi, cos x plus sin x is 1 by 2. So how we have done other day, that way only we will do. We did squaring both side, I think. Squaring both side. Squaring both side. If we square both side, what do we get? We get cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1 by 4. So what it becomes, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This is a formula, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin theta cos a, sin 2x is equal to 1 by 4. Sin 2x value will be 1 by 4 minus 1. LCM we have to take, it will come minus 3 by 4. We have got the value of sin 2x, but that is not our aim. Our aim is to find 10x value. So even that also we did. We know the value, sin 2x formula, 2 tan x by 1 plus 10 square x, and substitute the value. In the place of sin 2x, write minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, 2 tan x by 1 plus 10 square x. We have done all these steps the other day. Then cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what you will get? You will get minus 3 10 square x is equal to 8 tan x. Take everything on the right hand side. So you will get 3 10 square x plus 8 tan x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then use formula. It's a quadratic in 10x. Use formula method. So you will get 10x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. 10x is equal to, if we use third and all, we will get 10x is equal to 8 plus minus. If we subtract, what we were getting? I think 28 we are getting. Participate, student, you're not participating. 28 by 6. Take 4 outside, it will become 2. So you will get minus 4 plus minus root 7 by 3. This answer we got the other day also, but the problem was we are getting two answers, and then also in option only one option was matching. So we can say that is the answer, but thing was the why the other answer was wrong. So the why the other answer was wrong, so that we will do 10x. So what happened now? We got two answers. 10x is equal to minus 4 plus root 7 by 3. This is the wrong answer. And the correct answer is 10x is equal to minus 4 minus root 7 by 3, which is also equal to minus common. This is the correct answer. Why? For y and all, we will again do some working. Consider again. What to consider again? This all we did the other day also. Cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Multiply both side. Multiply both side by root 1 by root 2. Multiply both side by 1 by root 2, both side. So what will get? 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 sin x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. So in the by according to our convenience, we will do the sum. So 1 by root 2 I will write cos pi by 4. And the other 1 by root 2 purposely I will write sin pi by 4, so that it comes in the formula form. This all we have done other day. So this is a formula. Whose formula is this? Cos x minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Till here we have done. Then what we have discussed, now see here student, actually, okay, some of you copied this. If you have not copied the other day, then I will continue. Everything we have done other day till here. After this only was some little bit of problem. Shall I erase the right side part of the board?
Yes, sir, you can erase.
Yes, sir.
We did that day this all. So right side I will erase the board. Now what happens, student? We know that, see here you can write also. We know that in first quadrant, what happened in first quadrant? Already one day I gave you notes. Cos x is decreasing function. Cos x is decreasing function. Now what is decreasing function? That we will study later. But we know one thing. See here, for example, this is not the part of the answer. For example, if I say cos 0 degree is greater than cos 90 degree. Means when you increase the angle value in first quadrant, the cos value will decrease. Cos 0 is 1, whereas cos 90 is 0. Same way, now see here, cos, now if I say, now cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, we know. And this is one angle. Cos x minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Two answer we got, see student, two answer. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos of some angle is 1 by 2 root 2. Means what is the conclusion? Which angle is more? 45 degree or x minus pi by 4? Which angle is more?
45 degree is more.
45 degree. Okay.
No sir. X minus pi by 4 is more.
X minus pi by 4 is more. Now students, see here, where is the final answer less? Suppose this is first option, this is second option. In first right hand side is more, or in second right hand side is more? Or where it is less? 1 by 2 root 2 is less. If the answer is less, the angle will be
Greater.
The angle will be what?
It will be more.
If answer is less, the angle will be more. Now see here, I think I'm not understanding again. Like, if I draw the graph of cos x in first quadrant, this is 0, this is, suppose this is pi by 2. So cos 0 is 1. Now it decreases. Now see here, the graph decreases. It becomes 0. Now suppose this is 45 degree. Here it is 60 degree. Now see here, this 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree. These are the value of x. The value of y will be on the curve. See, where is the line shorter? The angle is increasing. The y value, this is y value, the length of the line is decreasing. Angle is increasing, the y value is decreasing. This means if y value is decreasing, angle is more. This means x minus pi by 4 is greater than 45 degree. X minus pi by 4 is greater than 45 degree. But then also the angle is positive. This means the angle is in first quadrant. Now this is the conclusion. It is not like I will run through the question. You can ask some doubts. See here, this angle is 100% sure more than 45 degree, but the answer is positive, so it will be, the angle will be less than 90 degree, because as a whole the angle lies in 0 to pi. Second quadrant means angle has to be negative. Not answer, angle should not be negative. The cos of that angle should be negative, but here cos of the angle is positive. This means the angle lies in first quadrant, so less than 90 degree and more than 45 degree, because the right hand side value is less. The value will be less, angle will be more. Cos 45, a bigger value. Cos of some angle, smaller value. Means this angle is more than 45. Girls, can you understand? Girls, tell you not understanding, I'll teach again. I'll attend, tell your doubt. Ashmi, what doubt you have? Ashmi.
I understood.
If the answer is less, the angle will be more. See, 1 by root 2 is more than this value. This means pi by 4 you shift on both sides. So what you will get? Pi by 4 this side and pi by 4 that side. So what happened? Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. It will be 3 pi by 4. Just add it. And it will be here pi by 2. Now this means the angle is less than 135, more than 90. Angle lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means angle has to be negative. Then one girl suddenly told, actually she was correct only, both the angles are negative. Both the angles are negative. Now we cannot say second quadrant means the cos of the angle should be negative, but both are negative. Then why this is wrong? For that, what you do, again we have to draw the graph. Whose graph we have to draw? Whose graph we have to draw? 10x. Now 10x graph we will study now. See here, that's why graph is taught to you, because it is very helpful. This is 0 degree. Here pi by 2. Here pi. 0 degree pi by 2. I think you cannot see the board also. See here, I will draw here. 0 degree pi by 2 pi and then 3 pi by 2. So what happens, student, at pi, where is the asymptote for 10x? 10x asymptote is at pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
And where? 3 pi by 2
3 pi by
asymptotes.
2.
And how the curve will look like this way it will be. Here also one asymptote. The curve will decrease, 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 and this way it will go. And again here. I think all are familiar with the curve. Now listen here. The angle is from where to where? The angle is from 135 degree to 90. 10 of 135 is how much, student? 10 of 135. 10 of 135 how much?
1.
No, not 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is correct. Now see here. Minus 1 will be here. All of you have to understand. This is 90 degree. And 135 will be exactly middle of 180 and 90. Here 135. That is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. Means this is minus 1 here. Student, now listen here. The angle is, see, the angle is less than means this side. Angle is less than 135 degree and more than 90. If angle is less than 135 and more than 90, what is the value of y? The value of y will be more than minus 1 or less than minus 1. Think and tell. If the angle lies between 90 degree and 135 degree, the tan of that angle value will be more than minus 1 or less than minus 1. Nothing is going in head.
Less than
Less than -1, sir.
It will be more than -1. See here. Cos 1090 how much? Read the graph. 1090 how much, student? 1090 how much?
Sir,
Nobody knows.
infinity.
Infinity.
But as if we go in second quadrant, 1090 will become how much?
Negative infinity.
Minus infinity. And as we increase the angle, the y value will decrease. At 135 it will become -1. If you go beyond 135 it will be less than -1. See here, it is less than -1 beyond, and when it goes to 10 180 it becomes 0. But between 90 and when the angle is between 90 and 135, y value is more than -1. See here, y value is more only in a student. At 135 it becomes -1.
Sir, it is less than -1, sir, because it's going down the.
Less than -1, correct. Did you say less than only?
Yes, sir.
even I-
Yes,
I
less than
interpreted
that.
wrong. It is less than -1 means it is below -1. You're saying correct. I interpreted it wrong way. 1090 is less than -1 means it is below -1. Correct only. And what happened? 10 135 is -1. Then it will become more than -1. So what happened? Now the angle is between 90 and 135. So y value will be below -1, smaller than -1. Now among these two value, which is less than -1? The first one or second one?
Second one.
Second one. That is why second one is correct and the first one is wrong. X value is, X value, no student, 10x value. 10x value will be less than -1. Less than -1 means obviously this is the correct answer. Because when you go to 135 it will become -1, then more than -1. But now it is between 90 and 135 is less than -1. That's why the second option is only correct. You can copy down something and you can ask some doubt. But so much of explanation is needed for this answer if you go properly. Right? Something which you can understand later. 10x value will be less than -1. Less than -1 means this is the correct answer. Because the first one is more than -1. People, shall I proceed? Have you copied something? Girls, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
No,
sir.
I feel that you have doubt. Still you have doubt, you ask me, student. Don't agitate. I will not become angry. What is your doubt, girls? Tell me. Ridha, what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't have any doubt.
I think you are sure. So no doubt means I will erase the board. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
One more doubt was there the other day. Very quickly we'll do. If X lies in second quadrant, then this was a easy sum which was based on the formula only, but we were using the formula in a wrong way. I think some of you got the answer also. Now see here, I have especially one
What
day
is your
taught
question number, sir?
question number 20. You asked that day. This is very simple sum actually. We have especially done this topic different separately while studying. What we can do directly, we can write here in the place of this, all of you agree, directly we can write mod cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. How and all we studied yesterday also. Directly you can write here mod cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Here mod cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and this side minus mod cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Two things we have to keep in mind. Angle lies in second quadrant. Angle is more than pi by 2 and less than pi. This is the angle, second quadrant. So what will be the x by 2? Divide by 2. So the angle will be greater than pi by 4 and less than pi by 2. I think I'm correct. X is more than 90 and less than 180. So x by 2 will be more than 45 and less than 90. This is the data. Now coming to our formula, directly see the formula. The formula only I used wrongly that day. See here, student, cos x by, I will write the formula again for you. Cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is more than 0. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is less than 0. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, all this formula you have written. Just a revision, quick revision. Now you only tell. Here x by 2 is from where to where? If it is more, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is more than 0. So x by 2 is from where to where? The answer of this is, tell me, minus pi by 4.
3 pi by 4.
To 3 pi by 4. This only we used wrong. And if it is negative, means it will be from 3 pi by 4 to I think 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. And cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 is positive, means the angle is from minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. And if it is negative, means the angle is from pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Okay. Now see here, where does our angle lies? X by 2 is from 45 degree to 90 degree. 45 to 90. Now see here see. This is what? Minus 45 to 135. Obviously, minus 45 to 135 only, in between lies 45 to 90. All of you agree or not? If we consider the angle from minus 45 to 135, the total range minus 45 to 135, this interval is a subset 45 to 90. This means the first expression is positive or negative. Tell me. I can draw
It
the
is positive.
positive only. 45 to this is positive. So write as it is. And now listen here. The second expression. Second expression, see here. See the fourth formula. 45 to 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is, I think, 225. 45 into 5, 225. If the angle is from 45 to 225, then cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 is negative. And what angle we have? 45 to 90. Obviously, 45 to 90 is a subset, smaller part of this angle only, 45 to 225. So what happened? The second will be negative. The second expression will be negative. So what should happen? I should put a minus sign. And same thing hold good for denominator also. First will be positive and the second will be negative. Negative means it is already positive. So minus minus plus. So what happens, students? Some terms will get cancelled and we will get 10x by 2. You can complete the sum yourself. But this formulas are, here only we got confused actually that day. Copy down. Small doubt also you can ask me here. Now you can ask some new sum if you have doubt. One girl was telling she has still some doubt, so ask.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I have a question.
Ask.
Sir, what is the minimum possible value of mod sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus cot x plus sec x plus cosec x?
This much only.
Yes, sir.
Where you saw this question?
Sir, I was imagining it.
Difficult to tell, na? If some question is there, you can ask me or.
So what's the question again?
No, but totally I didn't also didn't understand. He's telling some what are the possible values of sin x plus cos x All
Sir,
the values na real number only.
the minimum value of mod of all sum of all trigonometric ratios.
Mod means it will come positive only in a student. Positive real number we can say.
Yes, sir. But minimum value.
Minimum value means
Can you repeat the question again?
we have to work it out then. Now he is making the question himself. So that time it will be,
Okay.
actually that is correct only, but then it will become a little difficult.
So is it like, sir, is it like a JE based question or something?
Now he made a question that suppose we take mod of all the function, mod sin x plus mod cos x plus mod tan x plus mod cot x
Whole
plus
mod, sir.
huh?
Whole mod.
whole mod. Suppose
No, but
sin,
the answer will be positive.
minimum value he is interested in.
So the answer will come in positive only, no, sir.
Yeah, it will come positive, but how much minimum? That his particular, he want particular answer. So we have to work it out, but such questions should be feasible also. Now all questions are, but I'm not saying it is wrong question, but we'll see. One student was asking one doubt, that question you asked, student. I'll think about it, what you're saying. Other girl, ask the doubt.
sir.
Tell.
The question is,
Yeah.
sine square theta is equal to 4xy
Sine
by
square theta is equal to 4xy.
by x plus y whole square is true
Is true. This we did that then. Is true.
if and only if
And only, this way we write if and only if.
option A, x plus y
Understood.
is
For this, the answer is x is equal to y. X greater than 0, y. This is the answer. Okay. I'll see. That day we did also this type of sum. Again, we will do. Now see here, student, what happens.
Sir, it should be x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0.
Okay. Such options are not there.
Sir, it's there, but it's not the answer.
X not equal to 0, y not equal to 0. Now what happened? Like we have done this on the other day, means on Friday. Sine square theta, student. What is the value of sine square theta? What is the value of sine square? Minimum 0, maximum
less than equal to 1.
1.
Maximum 1. So sine square theta value is what? Value is 4xy by x plus y whole square. This way. So cross multiply. Correct na? Cross multiply. Cross multiply means 0, 4xy less than equal to x plus y whole square. So 0, 4xy minus x plus y whole square less than 0. See, this term is greater than 0, less than 0 means it is equal to 0. Equal to 0 means what we can write? Minus x plus y whole square is equal to 0. Take everything on the right side. X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. X minus y whole square is equal to 0. X minus y whole square is 0 means what? This x minus y whole square cannot be negative. It has to be positive or 0. If it is 0 means definitely x minus y is 0. Otherwise there's no option. So x is equal to y. So over now, this much only. What is the doubt actually?
Sir, in the solution they have
the other side.
Tell again.
sir, in the solution they have taken sine square theta is greater than or equal to 1. That was my doubt. But it's actually lesser than or equal to 1. No?
Less than, so that's why now sine square theta is equal to 1. But this is correct, student.
Okay,
So
that
if
was my
you
doubt.
subtract x plus y to the whole square, doesn't even doesn't have to be minus x plus y to the whole square is less than or equal to that, because we have to subtract from both sides.
Here,
Yes, sir. Don't we have to subtract it from that 0 on the end also?
no. This is from middle. If it goes now middle it goes to both side. See, suppose I take x square plus y square, then I should take left also, right also. But from here it will come here only now.
Oh,
Not
okay.
understanding.
Yes, sir.
From middle, it something goes means both side it goes.
Sir,
Huh.
so the only solution for this such an condition is theta is equal to pi by 2, no sir?
Pi by 2. Pi by 2. Because this will get cancelled now. Pi by 2. pi by 2 student, but that they're not asking. This only they're asking. The student who has asked this doubt, what doubt do you have, student?
Sir, my doubt is cleared now.
Okay, good.
I asked that in the solution they had given sine square theta is greater than or equal to 1.
No, it is.
But it's actually lesser than or equal to
it's
1.
less than
That was
equal
my
to 1.
doubt.
No problem. Anybody has any other doubt? Ask fast.
So then how can we prove that x and y does not equal 0?
See, student, what happened here? You see here, denominator. If this becomes 0, student, so what happened to the entire quantity?
It becomes infinity.
So that's why it should not be 0 now.
Okay. Yes.
Sir. Sir, that boy asked a question, or sir, the minimum value of all the mod of all trigonometric ratio.
You got the answer.
Sir, I found that question interesting, so I just googled it. So that the minimum value is given the 2 root 2 minus 1.
I told them I'm not telling question is wrong, but we have to work it out. So you got how to tell that boy, even you can Google and check the answer. Are you understanding it?
Sir, it's kind of lengthy. I'm not understanding it.
Okay, so I will no need to do now, student. It will consume time. I will work it out and then explain if you want.
Okay, sir.
You also try. Here, any doubt is there? Next sum, student. What is the next sum? No next sum. Level 2. Level 2 over.
I have a question, sir. I have 2 questions indeed.
Very good. Tell.
Both are from level 1. One is question number.
You people didn't try
4
level 2.
Another is question number 9.
Hey, did you not try level 2? No answers. Anirudh? No Anirudh. Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Level 2, did you not try level 2?
I started it. I'm on the.
Tomorrow exam is what started it?
Sir, you said level 1 only.
Sir told before only level 1. Asked out, tell 2 questions.
Yes, sir. If tan A minus tan B is equal to X and cot B minus cot A is equal to Y.
Wait. Tan A minus tan B is equal to X and
cot A minus cot B is cot B minus cot A is equal to Y. Then cot A minus B is equal to.
Then cot A minus B is, this is the question.
Yes, sir. Options are.
Is okay.
One. Sir, nothing, sir. You have to take. Like you should use the identity.
You know this answer.
Like I didn't understand the solution second part.
But easy question only now.
Yes.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
See here. Shall I do or not?
Sir, do it, sir.
Cot A minus B. What is the formula? Cot A minus B. Cot A, cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Correct, na student? This is a formula. Hello. The boy who asked this doubt.
Sir.
So substitute the value. Cot A, cot B, we don't know the answer. But cot B minus cot A, they gave na y. So shall I substitute here y?
Yes, sir. Till here I understood. But
then we have to find the value of cot A, cot B. So what some data they have given? What data they have given? What is given? Tan A minus tan B is equal to x. So what we'll do? Convert into cot. So what we'll get? 1 by cot A minus 1 by cot B is equal to x. Till here doubt is there, student? Student.
no, sir.
LCM what? Tell me, help me. LCM.
Cot A, cot
A
cot
into
B.
cot B. Numerator.
Cot B minus cot A.
Cot A is equal to x. But we know cot B minus cot A how much?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. So here what we can write? We can write y by cot A into cot B is equal to x. Cross multiply y by x is equal to cot A cot B. So y by x value substitute here. Over than the sum. From first what we know? Cot A minus B. Cot A, cot B value, how much we found? Y by x. So y by x plus 1 by y. LCM, y plus x by xy. I feel this is the answer. Not answer.
It is 1
Huh?
1 by x plus 1 by y. If you simplify,
So
you
you
are getting it, sir.
do y by xy plus x by xy. So you'll get 1 by x plus 1 by y.
Okay, so you're understanding now this one. Did you understand? No? Distribute the
Yes, sir.
denominator, what you will get? 1 by x. Is this the answer? Tell something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Distribute denominator, you will get this one. Copy down. This also good sum only, but easy sum now. Don't see solution. If you see solution, you will get confused. Do yourself only. Label 2. I thought you are prepared with label 2 also. Simply people are wasting time.
So we had chemistry test yesterday.
Okay.
That's why.
And now, shall I start trigonometric equation?
No, sir. One more question is there.
Ask.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, done, sir. Next question, can I ask?
Ask.
The value of?
The value of? Question number, tell me.
Cos square into?
Cos square
9, sir.
Ninth question. The value
Cos
of
square A?
A?
Cos square A?
Into
3 minus 4 cos square A whole square.
Bracket.
Yes, a bracket.
Bracket.
3 minus 4 cos square A whole square.
4 cos square A whole square.
Plus sin square A.
Sin square A.
Into 3 minus 4 sin square A whole square. We have to find the value, sir.
Nothing else they gave.
Nothing else, sir.
So what you can do here? Open the bracket, that you will get the answer now.
Yes, sir.
Open the bracket.
Yes.
Cos square A 9 plus 16 cos to power 4A minus A minus B whole square 24 cos square A. Here also open the bracket. 9 plus 16 sin to power 4A minus 24 sin square A. Just open the bracket, that much only. So you'll get 9 cos square A plus 16 cos to power 6A minus 24 cos to power 4A plus 9 sin square A. Girls, I hope you're understanding. Just open the bracket. 16 minus 24 sin to power 4A. Like terms take common. So 9 cos square A, 9 sin square A. That looks like quite same. Take 9 common. So what you will get? Cos square A plus sin square A. 16 common. Cos to power 6A. This type of sum we have done earlier. Minus 24 common. Cos to power 4A plus sin to power 4A. I hope you're understanding. Just take common. Now what we got? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 over. Here what we can write? We can write this as cos square A whole cube plus sin square A whole cube. Here we can write cos square A whole square plus sin square A whole square. I hope most of you remember one day I gave one formula. What formula I gave? Anybody remember? AQ plus BQ formula?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, there's much simpler method, sir.
You discovered, you got one
Sir.
more method.
Yes, sir. Very simple, sir. Instead of going through this big method, we can.
You did something here only.
No,
No,
sir.
s-
Take the square totally outside and then multiply cos A to the inside terms, and same for the sine, sir. Then you will get.
We'll get 3 sin theta minus 4 cos. That is a formula only.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
Then that will be way easier.
Tell me, girl.
And you'll get only one, sir.
Sir, from this 9 cos square A plus 16 cos A minus 24 cos 4, that from those three terms, we can take 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A whole square, and then we can use identity. Cos square 3A. We'll get cos square 3A plus sin square 3A, which is equal to 1.
Yeah. So you're saying
Instead.
that this has become, miss, this is correct only, but it has become lengthy. So we will do how this boy is telling. Or shall I continue this one only? The boy who has asked out. What does it do?
Sir, just use what method he is telling, sir.
Okay, I'll
We
use
want to
that
finish
method.
the question earlier.
A long method means sometime waste of time. So what he's saying, we know one property of law of indices, like
Sir,
A to power m. Tell me.
sir, I got disconnected. So what are you doing right now?
This sum, 9 sum.
Okay, sir.
A to power m into B to power m is equal to AB to whole power m. All of you know this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this formula only we will use. So what we can write, cos A, 3 minus 4 cos square A, and this will become whole square. Means the power will become common. Here also same thing. 3 sin A, 3 minus 4 sin square A, and whole square. Means square will become common. Open the bracket, what you will get? 3 cos A minus 4 cos cube A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. In the first term, we can do directly also. We'll take minus 1 common. Minus 1 common means this term will become positive and this will become negative. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A whole square. And do you know the formula of this? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta? That is sin 3 theta. I think all of you know, na? 3 sin A minus 4
Yes,
sin.
sir.
And here also, see student, minus 1 square is 1 only. But 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A formula is cos 3A. So cos square 3A plus sin square 3A. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this is easy method. Good. Here the square will become common.
So actually I did by this method. I got stuck in the middle.
No problem. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm having network issues from past 10-15 minutes. Could you explain the sum again?
This particular sum?
Yes, sir.
Copy down, then I'll explain.
Okay, sir.
The question, the main question is, which I wrote in short. This is a 9 sum of PDF which sir gave you. Find the value of, we have to find the value of by some method. So what we did in this sum, I hope you all of you wrote this answer. Have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes,
now,
sir.
see here what we will do, how we have done this sum. 2 minutes will take to teach again. It is easy only. This is a 9 sum. So now what happened? There's a property in school we study, a to power m into b to power m. If it is multiply and power is same, it will become ab to whole power m. This is very simple property which we'll use here. So what we can do, see, power is 2 here, also power is 2 and multiply. So we can write this as cos a 3 minus 4 cos square a, and the power will become common, whole power 2. Both are same only. Here also sin a, power will become common, 3 minus 4 sin square a, and this will become whole square. Do you have doubt till here?
No, sir.
Open the bracket, what you will get, 3 into cos a, 3 cos a, minus 4 cos cube a, whole square, 3 sin a, minus 4 sin cube a, whole square. Student, it is almost like a formula, but not exactly. So to bring in formula form, from both the term, we'll take minus 1 common. Minus 1 is common, means the first term will become negative and the second term will become positive, because minus 1 is common. So that it comes in the form of formula. This is exactly in the formula form. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is the formula of sin 3 theta. Now student, you see here, minus 1 whole square is 1 only. Remaining part is a formula. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the formula of cos 3a and sin 3a. So now what happened? We can write this as cos square 3a plus sin square 3a. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Here we have used this formula, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 sin theta. Shall we start trigonometric equation now?
Sir, I have a question, one last question.
So me too. Even me, sir.
Hey, level 1 only so many doubt means what? Ask first.
Sir, the 32nd question, if A equals 130 degree and X
If A is equal to
130 degree, capital A.
Capital A is equal to 140 degree.
30, sir.
Tell 114.
130.
130, okay.
And X equals?
Capital X.
No, small x.
Small x is equal to?
Sin A plus cos A, then?
Sin A plus cos A, then?
Then the options are A equals X is greater than 0, B equals X is smaller than 0, C equals X equal to 0, and D is X less than equal to 0.
Okay, we'll do this sum. X is equal to sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A. A is 130 degree. Shall we square it?
Sir, I think first you should apply the formula of sin A plus cos A.
That way. Shall we square it? X square is equal to sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A. So what happened now? X square A is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 2 sin theta cos sin 2 theta. So x square 1 plus sin 2a. A is 130. 2a will be how much? 2a? 260. Hey, 260 or what? Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now x square is this much. So x is equal to how much, student? X how much? X how much?
Root
1 plus sine 260.
Plus minus square root 1 plus minus square root 1 plus sine 260. Now tell me, inside the bracket, the term is positive or negative?
So positive.
Positive.
X is greater than 0 is the answer. Is this wrong?
So it's correct, but how did you get it?
Hey, sine 60 will be less than 1 only, na boy.
Sir, but you wrote plus or minus at the start.
No, plus minus, see, plus minus I wrote, but at the end we have to take plus only, na boy. Not understanding. See, root,
in the solutions, they've given an easier method.
This is tough method. Okay. Tell
I didn't understand at the end that how did you get x is greater than 0? That's
see here, sine 260 will be how much? Sine 260 will be less than 1. Sine of any angle is less than 1, student.
Yes, sir.
Sine of any angle is less than 1. So the total quantity will be positive only, na student. Not understanding. See here. Sine 260, what is the answer? We don't know, but it will be less than 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sine
so doubt is why would you take plus? Like what would we have to do to take plus?
Wait. Sine 260 will be less than 1 or not? Tell me. Or greater than minus 1. We can say that way also. Sine 260 will be more than minus 1, less than 1. Agree or not agree? Not agree?
Agreed, sir.
No, not agree means I'll teach you why. Sine of any angle is more than minus 1, less than 1. Add 1 here. Add 1 on both sides, all 3 sides. So what will get? Add 1 here. What will get?
0.
0 less than 1 plus sine 260 less than, add 1, 2. So this means what? 1 plus sine 260 will be more than 0, less than 2. More than 0, less than 2 means what? X will be more than 0 only now. Not understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, now tell how they have done. How they have done?
So they have substituted 130 for sine A cos A.
Then?
So then for sine A, they used allied angles and they made it
that way also good.
Cos 40.
Okay, cos 40. That way also very good actually. X is, suppose second method. This also, what I did, that also okay only, but suppose second method. X is, then why, what did you not understood?
So the last part where...
see what they did here, allied angle, sine 180 minus how much? 50 degree. Cos 180 minus 50 degree. But then problem will come. So x is equal to sine 180 minus theta is what? Sine theta. But here it is minus cos theta. Now you have to see who is greater. That only they did not. Sine 50 is more or cos 50 is more? Who is more?
So no, they kept cos 130 as it is.
Okay, then?
So sine 50 would be greater.
Then what they did?
So then they have given that it is sine 40, not sine 50. I don't know how, but
180 minus 50 is only, I think, 130.
Yeah, even I thought so, but I don't know why they have given sine.
What my doubt was, there was a calculation.
90 plus that they have done. 90 plus 40 they have done. Cos
maybe then, I don't know.
90 plus 40. So what happens?
Yeah. Then it becomes cos 40.
Cos 40 and that side it become what?
That is cos
minus sine 40.
No, so cos 130 remains.
That is cos 130.
Okay, cos 130 they have not altered. So 130. Okay, now okay then.
Then they have used
transformation.
Transformation.
Okay, 2 cos 40 plus 130, how much?
170
by 2 means 185. 85 cos what? 45. So cos 85 first quadrant positive, cos 45 first quadrant positive. So this all are positive. So more than 0. This also good only.
Yes, sir.
Anything you do. Still doubt is there. Hello.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there's another question I have doubt in. It's the next question, the 33rd one.
What doubt you have?
Should I read it out?
Tell.
If for real values of x, cos theta equals x plus 1 by x, then a is theta is an acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, or there's no value of theta which is possible.
No value, na?
Sir, you had done the sum, sir.
Tell again, no problem. What is the doubt?
Sir, we have already did this.
Okay, for her once more. Tell the doubt. Student, tell fast. Question.
Yes, sir. Can you solve it briefly?
No, I will solve how you understood. Tell the question. We are wasting time. Tell the question.
Yeah, if the real values of x,
Huh.
if for real values of x, cos
Huh.
theta equals x plus 1 by x,
Huh.
then the options are
If real values of x, x plus 1 by x.
No, so if for real values of x, cos theta equals x plus 1 by x.
Cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. Huh.
Then theta is
what? I understood. Now see a student. One day I gave this notes. X plus 1 by x. Whatever value you put, x plus 1 by x value will be how much?
Greater than or equal to 2.
Greater than 2. Greater than 2 or less than? Greater than 2 or less than what?
Minus 2.
I think this girl didn't understand. Now see a student, what happened? X plus 1 by x. I proved also that day. Whatever x you put, it will be always more than 2 or some. If you put negative value, it will be less than minus 2. It cannot be between minus 2 and 2. So right hand side will be more than 2 or less than minus 2. And cos theta is from where to where? Cos theta value is from where to where?
0 to 1. I mean minus 1 to 1.
See student, right hand side RHS is between minus 2 to is from minus infinity to, I think I'm making you confused. See, left hand side value is from minus 1 to 1, but right hand side value is either more than 2 or minus 2. So for no value of theta, both will be equal. That's why theta does not exist. Theta does not exist. What happens, student? Cos theta, left hand side cos theta is more than minus 1 or less than 1. RHS, x plus 1 by x is more than 2 or less than minus 2. So can left hand side equal to right hand side?
No,
Can you
sir.
find a theta for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side? You say yes, then I will teach you, student. Say something. Or no?
It's not possible.
Not possible, because how it is possible? Both are not equal only. Because see, don't say for my sake. If doubt means I will teach more properly. Cos theta is from minus 1 to 1. Right hand side is either more than 2 or less than minus 2. No value is matching. So how they can be equal? So there can't be any theta. I hope it is clear, na?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Good.
Thank you.
No problem.
Sir, I have a doubt on another question.
Ask.
So, sir, the question is tan 2 theta. I mean,
Question
sorry.
number, tell question number.
31.
Tan 2 theta.
Sorry, sir. The question is tan 2 pi.
Tan 2 pi.
By 5.
Whole 5 or here only?
2 pi by 5, yeah. Minus tan pi by 15 minus root 3 tan 2 pi by 5 into tan pi by 15.
What? So 0 answer.
No, sorry. They've asked is equal to, and the options are minus root 3, 1 by root 3, 1, and root 3.
So how did you do this sum? I feel easy sum only.
So we can just tan pi by
This is like tan A plus A minus B formula.
This type of sum we have done while studying. See here, what is the difference between 2 pi by 5 only na this one 15 na? Is it 2 pi by 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 pi by 5 minus pi by 15, how much? Subtract and tell me how much. Subtract, take
Pi
LCM.
by 3.
Pi by
3.
Girls, especially girls, subtract and tell me, is it pi by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No need
sir.
of doing now for me. Take 10 both sides. This type of sum we have done while studying. 2 pi by 5 minus pi by 15. Here 10 pi by 3. Here consider, from our side only we will consider 2 pi by 5 because it is like formula. Minus pi by 15 is equal to pi by 3. 10a minus b. Girl who has asked this doubt, tell the formula 10a minus b. 10a, tell fast. 10a minus b.
Yes, sir. Tan A minus tan B
10a minus 10b
by 1 plus
very
tan
good.
A
1 plus 10a
tan B.
10b. Right hand side, what is the value? 10 pi by 3. 10 60 degree root 3. Yes, na? 10 60.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply. So what you will get, I think we got the answer. 10 2 pi by 5 minus 10 pi by 15 is equal to 1 into root 3 minus, okay, something wrong. No, plus root 3 10 2 pi by 15 10 pi by 15. This is 5. Take the other term this side. 10 2 pi by 5 minus 10 pi by 15. Take the other term left side. Minus root 3 10 2 pi by 15 10 pi by 15 is equal to root 3. Answer is root 3. I didn't explain too much. If you want, I can explain again. It's easy sum.
Understood, sir. Thank
Easy
you, sir.
sum. Shall we start trigonometric equation?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask.
The period of sine square theta is?
Sine square theta. See here, student. But this notes, did I not give you? Did I give notes or not? Sine square theta, cos square theta, then what? Tan square theta.
Okay, I got it, sir. I got
How much period? Remember it is pi only.
It's pi, yeah.
Pi.
This period's only pi.
It's pi, yeah.
This formula only I gave now. Do you want the reason also?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one more question.
Ask.
It's a level 2 question, sir.
Level 2. Level 2 you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Tell loudly.
Sir, the question number is 7. The question
Level
is
2, 7th, tell.
The value of tan alpha plus 2 tan 2 alpha plus 4 tan 4
bracket
alpha.
tan bracket na?
Yes, sir. Tan bracket alpha.
Alpha.
And alpha is the angle.
Tan alpha minus?
No, plus.
Plus?
2 tan alpha. I mean, sir,
No,
tan
sir.
alpha.
Tan
It doesn't
alpha
have
is
brackets,
without
sir.
brackets.
Not understanding. One of you say
So
properly.
tan alpha plus 2 tan 2 alpha. These are different constants.
Tan alpha plus 2 tan 2 alpha
We
plus.
did this question, sir.
We did this question. 4 tan 4 alpha plus what cot? We did this
8
question.
cot
Now.
8.
8
cot
cot
8
8 alpha.
We have done this question. Just check the notes. What you should do, I have done this question. Cot alpha, you have to add and subtract. Hey, do you remember or not, girls?
Yes, sir.
Because here we have to use this formula. Cot theta minus tan theta, how much? 2 cot. This formula, I think I should not do. Just check it, your notes. You have done. We have done recently this sum. 2 cot 2 theta. We have done the sum in trigonometric equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. Level 2, question 26. Value of brackets cos A plus cos B
bracket cos A plus cos B
divided by sin A plus minus sin B.
Sin A minus sin B
to the power of n.
To the power n. Plus
sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B to the power n equal to where n is even.
Nothing more they gave.
No, sir. They said that n is even.
So use transformation now. Cos A cos B, what transformation? Transformation, student. Cos C plus cos D, what is the formula?
Sir, 2 cos
A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Denominator transformation, sin A minus sin B. 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Here also transformation, 2 sin. Girls, I hope you are understanding transformation. Girls.
Yes.
Cos A minus cos B. Anybody know transformation? Cos A minus cos B.
Yes,
Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin
A minus
people
B.
Try to not see the answer first. Do yourself. Now what happens? Some factors will get cancelled. So what happened? We got cos by sin. What is cos by sin?
Cot.
10.
Cot.
Cot to power n A minus B by 2. And here what we got? Since minus 1 to power n is even, means minus will vanish. Again we got what? Cos by sin what? Cot only. Cot to power n A minus B by 2. Same thing plus same thing is what? Double. So I hope this is the only answer, na student. No. Hey, this is not the answer.
Sir.
Over.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
No problem. Easy sum only this is. We start trigonometric equation. People, we are delaying every day something. I'll give 10 some homework first. Do you remember trigonometric equation or not? This week we have to complete that chapter. Do you people remember it? What we have studied in that chapter? People, do you remember trigonometric equation or not?
Yes, sir.
Remember
Yes,
now?
sir.
What is the last sum we have done? What was the last sum we have done?
Sir, we done homework problems, sir.
That one last sum, tell me.
Sir, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, cos theta equals 1 by 4.
Okay, that one. So now I will, okay, I will do 2 sums, then I will give homework. When you get time, you do it. Actually, we have done with the theory part, different types of sum we have to handle, and you know there's no end of sums. If you search new books, you'll get new sums. Do this sum now only. The solution set of equation, but this week we have to complete this chapter. Cos to power 5x 1 plus sine to power 4x is answer. Trigonometric equation. The solution set of equation.
Sir, are these the homework questions?
Now we will do. How to do this one? The solution set of cos to power 5x is equal to 1 plus sine to power 4x. People, pay attention on the board. Student, concentrate. Left hand side. Maximum value of cos to power 5x is. What is the maximum value of cos to power 5x?
1.
All of you agree it is 1. Maximum is 1 only. Right hand side. What is the minimum value? Minimum value of 1 plus sine to power 4x. 1 plus sine to power 4x minimum value.
0.
Sir, 1, sir.
1. This girl is telling correct actually. Sine to power 4x will be 0, student. But 1 plus 0 means 1 only na. Agree or not?
Oh, yes, sir.
See here, there are different values of left hand side. There are different values of right hand side. But maximum value of left hand side is equal to minimum value of right hand side. This means both are equal. Now both are equal means what? There is no other option. Only one option is that what? Only one option is cos to power 5x is equal to 1. I think you are not understanding, not your mistake. See here. Student, cos to power 5x can take many values. But do you agree or not? In these circumstances, it will not take any value except 1. Then only both will become equal. Otherwise, see, they told left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side means there is no other option. Cos to power 5x has to be equal to 1. Then only they will become equal now. Shall I teach more or you understood?
Understood, sir.
Because see, this value will maximum value cos to power 5x will take many values from down to up. Suppose this is 1. Sine 1 plus sine to power 4x will take many values, but minimum it can go to 1. See, minimum it can go to 1. This can go maximum 1. Both are equal means both has to be separately equal to 1. There's no other option. Cos to power 5x is 1. What is the solution? X is equal to 2n pi. N belong integer. This is the solution. Am I correct or not? When cos x is 1, when x is 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, then only it is 1. Some doubt means you can ask. Full doubt means I'll teach again.
So you took minimum value of that so that we could get those two to be equal.
Not minimum value, student. They are telling left hand side is equal to right hand side. This means left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is only possible when left hand side is equal to 1 and right hand side is equal to 1 separately. Otherwise they are not equal, because only one time they will become equal. See here, cos to power 5x will take many value, but it will maximum become 1. And right hand side will take many value, but one time it will become 1. It will take value less than 1 only. And both are equal means both are separately equal to 1. Otherwise they will not become equal now. I think it is not clear now. Girls, shall I teach more?
Yes, sir.
They have to be separately equal. You can also say that even this also. 1 plus sine to power 4x also should be 1. So sine to power 4x is equal to what? 0. So x is equal to what? N pi. But what happened? In here we have n pi, here we have 2n pi. but I think, not I think, I know we have to take the intersection. Intersection means answer will be 2n pi only. Because at 2n pi, left hand side will become equal to 0, right hand side also will become equal to 0. But at n pi, only right hand side is 0, left hand side is what? -1. So 2n pi is correct. Intersection, not union. This is the right time to ask some doubt. If you have still doubt in this sum, you ask me. Both left hand side and right hand side should be separately equal to 1.
So could you just tell why you have taken 2n pi as the answer once more?
Now, see here, student, what happened? 2n pi means what, student? 2n pi means exactly what? 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8, even multiple of pi. N pi means what? 0,
0,
pi,
1, 8,
2 pi, 3 pi, 4
yeah.
pi, all pi's. Here all pi, all multiple of pi's. Here even multiple of pi's. So we have to take the intersection. Such values for which left hand side is also equal to 1 and right hand side also is equal to 1. If we take n pi, suppose we take n pi. So
yes, I understood now.
we should take the value pi and 3 pi also. But pi and 3 pi left hand side will not become equal to 1. It will become equal to -1. So we should take such value for which left hand side as well as right hand side both are equal to 1. So we should take 2n pi. Here we are using the concept intersection, common values. What is common? This is all multiple of pi. This is even multiple of pi. So common is even multiple of pi. Next sum is the equation 2 cos square x by 2 sine square x is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. X less than equal to pi by 2 has option is one real solution, B option no solution, C option more than one real solution, D option two solution. This equation has how many solution?
Sir, sir, if I would write sine square x in terms of sine x by 2 and cos x by 2, the power...
Don't use this concept. Use the other concept which we have just studied. What about right hand side? Right hand side value lies from where to where?
It would be greater than 2.
Good. Greater than 2 or less than?
-2.
See, when I say x plus 1 by x is more than 2, the same result hold for x square plus 1 by x square. For that matter, the result hold for any power of x. It is true, student. So what happened? I hope you understood. So what happened? Right hand side x square plus 1 by x square is greater than equal to 2. Right hand side. We will take only greater than 2, not less than -2. Student, tell me the left hand side is a positive quantity or negative quantity? Left hand side.
Positive.
Positive means right hand side also should be positive. Both are equal. Means the right hand side cannot be equal to less than -2. Right hand side can be more than 2 or less than -2, but less than -2 is deleted. Why? Because left hand side is positive. So right hand side is only more than 2. What about left hand side? What you can say about left hand side? 2 cos square x by 2 sine square x by x. What can be the maximum value of this? 2 cos square x by 2 sine x, sine square x. Huh?
2.
Less than equal to 2. All of you agree? Now see here, right hand side is 2 or more than 2. Left hand side is 2 or less than 2. But both are equal. This means what? Both are equal to? Hey. Both are equal to what?
2.
2 only. Then only both are equal only now. One is more than 2, one is less than 2. Means both are 2 only. So therefore we can say, I think you can see the board, 2 cos square x by 2 sine x is equal to 2. 2 cancel. Cos square x by 2 sine x square x is equal to 1. This solution, this equation we have to solve. Copy down this much and ask me, tell me what is the answer. After this, do yourself and tell the answer now. Copy down. Left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side is 2 or more than 2. Left hand side is 2 or less than 2. Both are equal means both are equal to 2 only. There is no other option. 2 cancel. This is the final equation. Now for what value of x left hand side becomes equal to 1?
No real value.
Student, you will not get, now this is a new thing to you, new concept for you people. You will not find any x for which cos square x by 2 into sine square x will become equal to 1, because this x are same only. You cannot say pi by 2 we will use. Pi by 2 you will use means here something else will come. So if you don't know, learn it. There is no x for which cos square x by 2 into sine square x will be 1. No x, such things are not there. No solution. You will never get any solution for which multiplication of cos square x by 2 and sine square x will become 1. No solution. Even this is a good sum actually. You can see by seeing the sum it looks difficult, but it is easy only. Over? Over or not over? Girls?
Completed, sir.
Completed, very good. Doubt? Do you have doubt?
So I have a doubt at the last step. I understood the rest.
What doubt you have, student?
How did you like directly get no solution?
This is a little complex thing. But student, that's why I told the other time also, when I was teaching that this is a new concept for you. See here, cos square x by 2 sine square x is equal to 1. This we have, there's no concrete answer. You have to analyze only. Like you take the first quadrant or you take any quadrant. You only sit down later and analyze. You put any value of angle x. You will never find an angle for which cos square x by 2 and into sine square x will become equal to 1. Suppose it is alone. Suppose sine square x is equal to 1 means that you can say pi by 2. But if you put pi by 2, you have to put pi by 4. So final answer will not be equal to 1. Such things.
Okay.
Yeah, also it comes. You just analyze it. You will not get any x for which the product is equal to 1. Like 50, 50, 50 also not. Suppose you put, so you think 45 degree you put. 45 here, 45 here. Then also it will not work. 45 means this will become something else. It will not work, student. Just analyze over it. You will never get an angle x for which product will become 1.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So shall I start giving homework so that you can try some sum, and you will get a PDF of trigonometric equation also very soon. Write homework sum. If sine to power 4x plus cos to power 4y plus 2 is equal to 4 sine x cos y, and x comma y greater than equal to 0 less than equal to pi by 2, then sin x plus sin y is equal to how much? Answer is 2. Question: if and mod cos x is less than equal to sin x, then x belong which interval? No answer for this, you do yourself. The second sum has to be done graphically. It is less than, graphically you solve. Number of ordered pairs a comma x satisfying the equation secant square a plus 2x plus a square minus 1 is equal to 0. Answer 3. The most general values of theta for which sin theta, this is a tough, not tough, some new sum, so you may not able to do. Just try. I will try do next class. A belong real.
So sir, in tomorrow's exam, these kind of questions would be asked?
This is different chapter, na student.
Okay.
Chapter is not going to come now. This is trigonometric equation. Only trigonometric function will come, identity. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
The other one, this is different chapter, student. You will get later test on this chapter. All of you have to study hard.
So that n belongs to I is n belongs to integers, right?
N belongs integer.
Yeah.
Sometimes we use instead of z I also for integer.
Sir, it's 8:45.
Right, two more sum. Small sum.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, like in chemistry, we have two kinds of tests, like one for the people who are giving JE and others who are not. So will we have that thing in maths also?
Tomorrow what happened? Easy paper, level 1, common.
Okay.
Means that is easy only. So it is for everybody. Same. Easy paper means that is for like NCERT only. But it will come from this type of, what you ask now, that only, that type of sum, not NCERT book.
Okay, thank you, sir.
One more day, one test will be conducted, that is level 2 for some student who are champion students preparing for IIT. Tomorrow easy paper. All of you should score centum. Do you people copy also while exam? Do you people copy?
No, sir.
Sir, what
No,
is this
sir.
log, sir?
Log means what? Hey, you
So we
people,
haven't learned logarithms, right?
but such questions are there. If I skip such questions, then later how to do then? I'll teach in between only something. I'll teach you, don't leave it. But right now, see, all chapters log question will be there. You don't know means someday we have to teach also now. Okay, last sum. People definitely have to try this sum. We have to complete this chapter by this week.
So what is that after x belongs to 0, 2 pi in the first line?
Satisfying.
So no, the second last question that you have given just now. There x belongs to 0,
This
2 pi.
one, if and only if, implies if and only if. This way, double-sided arrow. Double-sided arrow is then a student. Hello. Double-sided. What is the meaning of double-sided arrow? If and only if. Am I clear? Tell something.
Yes, sir.
If and only if. This is the mathematical representation. At least 50% of sum you do out of homework sum. I am dismissing the class. Do this much sum. Thank you, students. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.